Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how easy you can clean your USB-C charging port with household items. So at the first I'm going to zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks inside. And as you can see, it looks like that. And of course we have to prepare some kind of the thin object. I'm going to use this pencil. Wait, let's zoom in a little bit. As you can see, it's very thin, right? So let's take it right here. We have to put it like that, and then we have to make gently moves. So try to don't break. Okay, and I break it. So we are going to remove it after that. After we remove this stuff from inside the port. Let's try to catch the focus on the camera. Wait a minute. Okay, I think that right now. Wait, what is going on? Come on. Okay, right now it's good, right? So let's go here. Put it gently. Do it like that. As you can see here, we got some kind of the mess inside. Maybe some kind of the dust. Let's try to make it from the second side. And here's also dust. Okay, let's make it like that. Okay, as you can see, here we got our pencil. And just take a look inside one more time. Something is still inside. It's right here. Oh, I'm not showing it to you on the camera. It's right here. Okay, and here it is, the biggest one. So just take a look right here. I'm going to zoom out. And as you can see here, we get the dust that we removed from our charging port. And I hope that it was easy for you, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys for watching.